it might feel easier for you to complain, but the honest truth is that we just need to be thankful for everything. What's up guys, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. And before I go any further, you might hear a lot of road noise in this video and I sincerely apologize, but the video has to go on. Alright, so like I was saying, welcome to each and every one, whether you're new or if you have been with us from day one. Thank you so much for joining us one more time. And today guys, I'm just here doing a little quick sit down video with you because I learned something this week, something that I would have been doing for some time, but at times, forget. And it really struck home for me, so I decided that I would just share it with you guys today in a simple little video. Alright, so today we're not going to be going on an adventure. We're not going out to get ice cream today. We're not showing you a property or any new device. But we're just sending a simple message across the internet. And it would be good of you to do what I'm doing and share it with a family member, share it with a friend, and just let this video reach to as many homes, as many hearts as possible. Alright, at the time of me doing this video, we currently have over 3,000 subscribers. And I first want to say that I'm very grateful for each and every one of you. A lot of you guys, you've been on this journey from the day we created the channel up to now. This year will make 2 years since we're on air, and it is much appreciated. Thank you guys. And I want to start there because today I'm talking about gratitude. Alright? I'm talking about being grateful for the simple things. And simple things like you pressing the like button on a video. Simple things like you leaving a comment. Simple things like you sharing. A matter of fact, a simple thing as you subscribing to this channel, it means a lot to both myself and my wife. And also, Samuel, that a lot of you love so much. But guys, this week I had an encounter with someone and they were basically expressing their concern where I'm concerned in terms of me not being the kind of person that they knew me to be in the beginning, right? As we were there having the conversation and I basically expressed some of what was bothering me and things like that, she started to give me a few little tips on life, and she went back to as far as to speak about some of the things that she went through, and the whole concept of the conversation just went back to being grateful for what you have, right? I know a lot of us, we want different things in life at different stages, and sometimes we set our goals and sometimes we have our timeline, our deadline, whatever line you want to call it, and it don't work out and we just get flustered and we get frustrated and we start cussing and we start complaining. But guys, I'm going to tell you today to just be grateful for what you already have. And I'm going to start off with the simple thing as you waking up this morning. Sometimes not even that we not tell God thanks for sin. And the truth is that if you're not living, you cannot accomplish anything that you had made plans for yesterday. So you're here today, you're watching this video, and like I did, I want you guys to just sit for a minute and to just reflect on your life. See what it is that bothers you the most, the things that you want to accomplish the most, that it's not going the way that you want to right now. But instead of complaining about it, just look at what you have already. Look at the little steps that you've made. Look at your previous accomplishments and start giving thanks for that. And you'll realize that the moment you are grateful for the things that you already have is the moment that you start feeling comfortable and believing in yourself again. Believing in God that He will continue to allow you to accomplish things. Right? And personally, we have our vision, we have our goal set, we have things that we want to accomplish now, things that we wanted to accomplish from last year. A matter of fact, even with this channel, we were hoping by at this time would have surpassed the 4,000 mark or the 10,000 mark. If it was up to me, I would want to be at 100,000 subscribers by now. But like I said at the beginning of this video, I'm very grateful for the over 3,000 of you guys who have subscribed to our channel. Nothing happens overnight. The only thing we have overnight is that God will come when you don't know, and if you go away, I go away, and you wake up the next day, and then things just different. But with that said, just give thanks for the simple things. You have food can make breakfast, or you can afford one meal per day. There are persons out there that don't even know where to find the first meal. You have kids and you have adults out there searching the garbage bin every single day, trying to find something to eat. You know, another thing she mentioned to me, we're not even grateful for the fact that we can go to the bathroom on our own. If you should rely on somebody to take you to the bathroom just to give you a shower, if you had a pee-pee bag, that in itself can cause a problem because the muscles inside your body are not functioning the way that they're supposed to help you to push out all that urine, so therefore you now end up with urinary tract infection because everything is not leaving. The simple thing as we go into the bathroom to do a number 2, I won't say exactly what that is, but you should understand what I'm saying. It's a blessing, guys, and simple things like that we need to be grateful for. We need to give thanks for, because a lot of persons, those who are here now and who probably would have passed away, were not able and are still not able to do a lot of the things that you and I can do. I don't need help to speak. I don't need help to walk. I don't need my wife to take me to the bathroom or to give me a shower. My hands are working. As far as I'm concerned, every part of my body is working in its correct capacity. I'm fully functional. A lot of you guys watching this video now, you can say the same thing. So why should we get up and complain every day when we can give thanks? A lot of us, we have accomplished so many things in life, but you see, the minute we can get something else that we want, we get frustrated, we start complaining, we become angry, but then it's like we forget that we needed to give thanks for the things that we already have. You have people out there where they don't have a job, they don't have the ability to do certain things, and we sit around and we complain and we walk around and we make other person's life unhappy because we are not being grateful for where we are in life. And I mean, it's just a simple thing. It's a very simple thing, and I'm very thankful that I had the opportunity to speak with somebody that could remind me to be grateful for everything, because things might not be going the way how I want it to go at the moment, right? But at the same time, I've accomplished so much things and I still need to be grateful for it. That's just a simple message I'm trying to get across to you guys, that it doesn't matter what happens in life, there is somebody out there that is in a worse position than you are. And it's not for you to rejoice, it's not for you to judge, it's not something for you to be happy about. But on the flip side of that, you need to be happy for the fact that you're in a good position. I thank God every day for my family. I thank God every day that I can get up, jump into a vehicle, go to work, come back home. Even though enough times I want to do more, I want to accomplish more, I want to see more things happening. That frustrates me at times, yes. But at the end of the day, see if I can kick it back in your chair or go lay down in your bed and just reflect on everything what God do for you. The fact that you make it home alive, you don't need nothing else than just to say thank you. And you will realize that being thankful for what you have will put you in a frame of mind to accomplish even more. Because if you can appreciate what is already here, you now will have the driving force to push you forward to accomplish more things. So guys, I wanted to share this message across the world, to your families, to your friends. And if I see somebody a slip up, just remind them, because we're humans and we all need a little reminder from time to time. Be grateful for everything in life. And I'm so grateful for you guys today that you subscribe to this channel. I'm grateful that you took the time out to listen to what I have to say. Yes, I could have been doing this video on a plane. I could be doing it at the beach, or probably in a hotel, probably at a fancy restaurant. But like I said, be grateful for the simplest things in life, and then you open a world of possibilities. Remember that nothing is impossible. And if you can believe in God and believe in yourself, you can accomplish anything in this life, because with God, all things are possible. And I want to remind somebody today that if you can think of something great, if you can ask for something big, remember that God can exceed all of that. So with that said, be grateful for everything, complain about nothing, and just be happy in life. When the rough time then come, just shake it off, lift up your head and carry on. Because I say, if you get up tomorrow and tell God thanks that you're still living, for that day you'll accomplish something. So I'll see you guys in another video. I am grateful to have you. I am happy that you watched this video. Please leave me a comment so that I can respond to you. And if you want to share a message with somebody, leave it in the comments down below. and I'm sure that somebody will have a blessed day. Somebody will have a magnificent day just to see your comment. Try it, and then we'll see it. Because I thank you so much for your time and your patience, and remember to be grateful in every single thing you do every day of your life, and watch God work things out for you. See you guys in another video.